Really?
Oh my god, dude.
Nope. I'm not letting him get away this time.
Well, that's a slab.
Stop moving. Oh yeah. What I'm here for.
No, it ain't. Small. It's just a pipsqueak. There's a bird right there. A bird just hit the side of the boat. Is it still there? You go. Don't get bit now. What the hell? A big old bass gonna come up and eat that thing. Fly, little dude.
It's too little. He got net.
Nah, he flew from. I watched him fly and he hit the side of the boat. Like he's blind. He was in the boat, Landon. I don't know what he's doing.
Ow.
Did he bite you? Let's see if he dry off or something. What's up, little dude? What are you doing, man? It's a boat. Why you running into the side of it? Well, old Fred over here don't want to fly away, so we got a boat buddy for today. I don't know how well y'all can see him with the sun and everything, but there you go. That's crazy. He flew out from the rafters and he ran to the side of the boat. So I don't know what's wrong with him. Alright. I got a keeper. Alright, number one for me. Landon's done caught like 3. So it's not fair. But we got little buddy over there. Hit the thumbs up button for little buddy. Little Fred. He don't know how to fly. Alright, Mr. Fred. Since you don't want to fly away, it's about the best I can do for you. See you later, bud. Hopefully you don't die, but I can't really take you home and DNR is not going to do anything about you. Hopefully he'll make it up there. It's better than being in the water getting ate by a big bass. Let's go. Oh man. That was cool. That was the first one I ever caught on the unders, man. I thought I hit some brush or something. The Lord of the Warmouth. He choked that thing. I only got one more. That big old thing. Oh, that's a good one too. I know he ain't that big. He felt bigger. I'm about to run to the damn boulder. About to be Titanic out here. I got a worm on my shoulder. He got bit by something. I wouldn't even expect one to be back there. That's why I didn't go back there. Oh! Must have hit a damn motor.